to our expert speakers. I think they are all here already. To our expert speakers from the Chinese General Hospital and Medical Center. My esteemed colleagues from the Chinese Filipino Business Club, Inc. My colleagues and my dear friends, all our participants in today's health forum, a blessed afternoon to one and all. We are genuinely blessed today because we have not just one, but three excellent doctors from a well-trusted medical institution in the country to educate us. We are very fortunate to be able to benefit from their expert knowledge, which they will share to us generously for free. Thus, please allow me to extend the immense gratitude of CFBCI to Chinese Gen, led by Mr. Kelly Sia, their president, for always saying yes to the call of public service. I would also like to thank my fellow officers and members of CFBCI for your consistent support in our project. Beyond the realm of business, CFBCI may be a business organization, but it continuously promotes social welfare by organizing informative seminars like this. After all, trade and industry can only thrive when citizens enjoy holistic health. Hindi tayo makakapaghanap buhay kung sakitin tayo. At alam nating lahat na mahal magkasakit. In the far side of the world, they celebrate Oktoberfest with drinking lots and lots of beer. Well, our version of this festival is different. Instead of getting drunk, we will hear insightful lectures on three essential fields in health: obstetrics and gynecology, cardiology, and gastroenterology. I myself am looking forward to learn from our distinguished speakers, especially on these timely topics. Definitely, their professional advice can help us in developing better health habits and changing our lifestyle for the better. I just turned 70 a few days ago. Obvious ba? I didn't dye my hair. And I'm proud to say that I feel just 58. This is because of a very important decision. When I entered my 40s, I consulted my brother, who happens to be a doctor also, endocrinologist. I said, Brad, my blood chem, there's so many, hi. I sounded like a Japanese. He said, it's up to you, bro. It's up to you. You could enjoy all the food you want. Anyway, I could give you 3 samples. But with that message, I learned my lesson. I decided to take care of my health more seriously. Now, I'm reaping the fruits of my commitment to eat healthier, be more physically active, and maintain a positive attitude towards life. Mas madaling ngumiti kaysa uminom ng gamot. Up to now, I'm proud to say, I don't have any maintenance medicine. Diba? So let us not wait for our bodies to suffer before we decide to change our ways. As what they always say, prevention is better than cure. And of all the things that we can pass on to our children, I hope that having a healthy lifestyle is one of them. With that, I gladly welcome you all to the October Health Fest. Thank you very much for your support and mabuhay.
Please join me in warmly welcoming Dr. Eileen May Yang Si.
Siya nga menopause ha. Ka-choosy nung menopause na. Tanggapin nyo na may edad na tayo. Okay? Let us accept that's fate. Both hands pa. Talagang tanggap. Okay. Isipin kong, when do you say your menopause? Okay? Di kong di menopause kapag ka, di na 1 year bo daw hui. Okay? So, for example, ikaw, dinugo ka ngayon. After 3 months, dinugo ka ulit. Tapos, after 8 months, dinugo ka ulit. Hindi ka pa menopause. Perimenopause pa lang yon. Okay? Punta naman dito sa kabila, kawawa naman sila. Oh, okay? So, perimenopause kayo. So, once 1 year na kayong walang bleeding, bolawi, puwahang, then, you are menopause. 12 months. After 12 months na hindi kayo dinudugo, to si isi kong, di kiyang boke, kiyang lo. Yan ang may forever. Dapat di ko isinya, boko, lauhi, lola. Okay? If you bleed after a year, that is not normal. Okay? Dito, isang. Okay? So usually sa Filipino, age mga sita po, ikaw gotak itla. Okay? But it can vary. Pwedeng sita pe, ikaw gotak ohela. Okay? Ano pa paano yun? Di na sita pe, iha, 40 and less. Less than 40, you get, you don't have your menses. Nagmenopause ka. That is not normal. That is what we call premature ovarian insufficiency. Okay? Hige si bo jinxiong na. Okay. Now, if you are more than 55, again, that is not normal. Dito chay isang hige si bo jinxiong lola. Okay? So, di na menopause, pwede siyang surgical, meaning di kikuito, inoperahan ka, tinanggal. Di actually, di utien. As di utok. You need chemo, you need radiotherapy. Pwede rin yung genetics. So, din laubo na pinusa itong menopause, then most probably, you're also, or you might also get early menopause. But that's not hard and fast rule. Okay? So, 30%. Ilang taon kayo usually nagme-menopause? 50. Dan kasyong kuya, 75. You have to see 1/3 of your life is in menopause. That's why menopause is very important. Merna? Okay. Bakit kailan magiging mas maagang menopause? So, di na ulit yamhon, di na kyakat, kuya socay, di na upat kwa. Even if it's just a hysterectomy, mas maaga din minsan nagme-menopause. Okay? Of course, if you do cancer treatment, di dali, di utok diyo, di boti na dya. Okay? Di na, kway na dya soy. Yung mga vegan, okay? So, minsan hindi rin pala maganda, no? Pag vegan, o dito nonod ako sa kabila. Pero pag vegan, hindi rin maganda. Okay? So, ay, bumalik. Sorry. Okay. And if nung maliit kayo nung nilabas ng mami mo. Okay? So, anong delay ng menopause? Ako, high BMI, masaya, kaya pag mataba kayo, mas hindi nagme-menopause. Minsan maganda yung malaki ka. Magagalit si Dr. Timmy. Papagalitan ako dito. Okay. Pagka nag-a-alcohol, hindi ko sinabing mag-a-alcohol kayo, iinom kayo, ha? At saka pag marami kang anak, lising ka to, ikaw kay delay la menopause. Okay? Okay. So, ano bang nararamdaman nyo? So, usually hot flash. Doktora, mainit. Nakatapat na ako sa aircon, mainit pa rin. That's hot flash. Okay? Night sweats. Nagigising ako sa gabi, basang-basa yung kama ko. Kasi, gwalilaw ko. Okay? Vaginitis. To si, Doktora, gudnalik yapang, yatalo, yatyano. Okay? Urethral rankle, parang meron ka nakikita o sidyat pa. And dyspharonia. Di na akong dyspharonia to si kong nalik yapang, yatyana. Kasi because it's very dry. Okay? So, Makate, minsan, titidyoto, huatyam, o titidyoto, huatyam. Okay? So, osteoporosis. Anong osteoporosis? Sino nakakaalam? Dilekot etsea. Diba, uncle, no? Oh. So, dati, di ko natin din pebo, long zong nalete kaya tito. Tao, titiku. Oh, chung lao ko okay, go cho siya, go sa go cho na lang, no? To si titiku. It's because of osteoporosis. Okay? So, sakit sa puso, cardiovascular diseases, and cognitive dysfunction. Doktora, ko kao sige hechiyo, ko gagaw boyki dita. Wala Alzheimer. Ayan, diba? That's it. Wala Alzheimer. It's because of age. It's because of menopause. Okay, hot flashes. Hot flashes, sabi niya, bigla, yatwa. Usually it lasts 2 to 5 minutes. Okay? And, biglang mainit. Tapos, kahit nagpapaypay ka mainit. Oh? Usually, pag malas-malas ka, yasyong la, 20 to 30 times a day. So that's like 1 every hour. Yakang ko, pero bolong tong anila. Pero meron kami mga patient na ganyan katindi. Okay? Nagpapalpitate ako. Siniate ako. Okay. Titilaw ko as I've said, no? And usually, you see it's very high. 60 to 80%. Lakit. Sipo sa 10. Nagka-hot flash. Okay? And ito pang malas dyan. It can last 7 to 10 years. So 60 ka na, nag-hot flash ka pa, hindi ka pa rin. Okay. As I've said, osteoporosis, no? So, rumurupok, di get put etititsea. So, di na, tsiyaw, di tititsyaw, boy ka na siya. Di kao sige hezi usiyo kahit na di bo kilong diyo, ekikut etsiya. Oh, adi na kut si di ko ati ay lauhiyat usid, madalas yan tuwa chesole kutloki, fracture yung hip, totseng, ayun, tuloy-tuloy na. We have a lot of patients like that. No? Totseng ki hip fracture, yung hip replacement, sa buhay niya, tsaka na, yan, problema. Okay? Ano natin malalaman dito? Tsong sige DEXA lang. DEXA sito sa bone densitometry. Di bone densitometry to si, di kitin chule, iya kan di check ah, iya kan di kong di to, tikut, o osteoporosis, asi ako hose, asi osteopenia, si medyo mahina, pero hindi pa naman osteoporotic. No? Pero papunta na. So makita niyo yung picture, titiku. Baliktad. Yan. O, dan to si Kong sige. Dementia, to si Yagaw, boy kidit. Watsakini, paglabas ko, nakalimutan ko na kung ano yung kukunin ko. Okay? Bakit dati nakakabasa ko isang libro ngayon, parang 2 or 3 pages, buhat ang concentrate, no? Tanto si Kong, you're more prone to Alzheimer, di na si menopause. Okay, next page, please. Next page, kaya ba? Ayan. Okay, metabolic syndrome, si Dr. Tini na yan. Usually, din na OHED din ko, di ba? Doktora ko, ongke di chak, ko sa di chak. Bobo, chak, katsulila ka na ko titipuya. Mo titiuntong tubuya. Oh, it's because of that, no? So, din ako, hindi yung metabolic syndrome, dito si Joyla, dito at least 3 of those. Okay? So, malaki yung waistline, mataas ang sin, di di cholesterol, di blood sugar, di BMI, di weight in relation to your height. Di na more than 25 dito, si isi kong kapuitang po. Okay. So, depende. Paano yun? Anong gagawin natin sa menopause? So, depending on your symptoms. Okay? Depending on your symptoms and depending on what you need. Okay. So din, Doktora ko, titi hot flash, boy kundi. So, ito yung mga gamot na pwede natin ibigay. Okay? So, generally, you can give your clonidine, you can give, meron mga herbal. Ito, acupuncture, lanang ko siya, pancamku, yan, camku. Yung iba dyan, tongkuy. Nakakatulong minsan hindi. Kolang bosang. Okay? So, hindi lahat nakakatulong. So, you would see which would be effective for you. Okay? Ginkgo biloba, kiamsi. Okay. Adin na vaginal atrophy. Din akong vaginal atrophy to. Sidi higa esin. Yata, piyan sa yadry ko. Di ito yung creams logo no tablet petang dito. Eto, magugustuhan nyo ba to? The more you use, the more it's gonna be better. The more sex. Okay? So, kasi din na, you don't use it, you lose it. Di na bo, iyang to si Buela. You have to use it. Dito, kaya bang? Ekabwe, keep dry lang. Okay? And you can use lubricant. Lubricant to si para kakut lang. Okay? Okay, pag metabolic syndrome, to si dito, ano yung problema? Dito si Tio Okay, so ito yung mga gamot for osteoporosis. Okay? Din siya calcium. Dila siya calcium. Dito, kwa dila siya Calcium ka siyang siwa, 600 milligram. So if you need 1,000, 1,200, you need to take 2 tablets a day. Okay? Of course, dito kwa, kung umiinom ka pa ng anlin, umiinom kayo ng gatas, di tayo si to adjust. But so di yung kuin din lang. Okay? O siya nga Tai Chi at siya. Maganda ang Tai Chi for osteoporosis. Weight bearing, dila kyalo, dila Tai Chi. Di higit maganda yan for osteoporosis. Okay? Now, talaga nabuha to si Tio Chayo. Okay? So ito yung mga gamot. Ukasyok, ukapuyi, merong once a week, merong once a month, meron sa swero. Okay, so dito check isa itong. Okay, so ano ang pinaka-overall na gamot for MRT or menopause? Kung kyoto menopause replacement therapy lang. Menopause replacement therapy, si Chayo lang. Okay? If you take your menopause replacement therapy, it will actually treat everything. Di hot flash evoke, di kabwe dry, di kabwe Alzheimer actually. Huh? And pwede siyang cream, pwede siyang tablet. Okay? Meron siyang patch. Meron patch. Pero patch, Philippine bola. Okay? Philippine ball patch. Okay. So yan, you see, lahat pwede. Pati osteoporosis, pwede siya. Parang all-in-one siya. So di siya mibunpe, menopause, pwede siya. Okay? So, doktora, gubit-chalo. MRT, yaho. Okay? So, but you have to see, ang approved lang is for this. Dinalit severe hot flashes. Dinalit sinyata. Dina premature menopause lang. Kung premature menopause, to si tapeihan, di ikyang menopause lo. Asi kung di bo ay osteoporosis. Okay? So, when do we start menopause replacement therapy? Danto si kong, okay, depende. Hindi lahat ng tao pwede mag-menopause replacement therapy. Okay? Dito, within 10 years from menopause and less than 60 years old. So, di ba, doktora, 70 na ako, got 70 siya, para bumata ako. Hindi po pwede. Okay? Kasi actually, di na siya MRT, mas hindi ka rin maganda for the skin. Di ka buhay kulubot na. Hindi ka nagdra-dry ang skin. So actually maganda siya. Para siyang fountain of youth nung panahon namin Okay? Kaya lang nagkataon, may mga naging problema yung MRT before. Okay. So, when you do your MRT, as I've said, dito, swing-chong mammogram, breast ultrasound lang. Okay? Hindi pwede basta-basta iinom kayo. Ha? Hindi nyo, ito importante. Hindi nyo pwede sabihin, yung kapitbahay ko, siya MRT, ang kumanda, ang ganda-ganda ng skin, gusto ko din. Hindi pwede, ha? Okay. Okay, eto. See, very important. You cannot take MRT if you had breast cancer. Kasi estrogen yun Okay, so you are prolonging the exposure to estrogen dan bobe lang. Okay, so any estrogen malignant, dinalalawi. Di na uompe o simpi, o heart attack, uncontrolled hypertension, mangtia. Okay? And pag may sakit sa liver, si Dr. Joey. Okay. Okay, so
to act as our moderator, may I call on stage our agarang serbisyo lady. A round of applause to Dr. Hilda Ong. We encourage everyone to ask questions to our first guest speaker.
Good afternoon, everyone. However, tama di ulit kang hysterectomy ko. Like in my case, was sasabihin, hysterectomy. So, why sasabihin ko, bokeng kilo. Yatsa lang kung sabi nila, kapag ka maaga ka nawala ng menstruation, tendency, di kumakalaw, di kutis, eka, bol makinis. Hindi, pensa ya, masungit. Ayun. Pero look at me. You look at me, 32 years old, now, senior citizen. Oh, how do I look? Di ba? I look young. Di ba? My skin. I don't use any lotion at all. I don't take any medicine. So, doktora, so dito pa lang sa akin, I can testify na yung mga sabi-sabi, hindi totoo. At that's my opinion.
Generally kasi, depende yan. Okay. Di na, tang higa ziyong, higa luan zao pang le. Okay. Your estrogen comes from your ovaries, not from your uterus. Pero syempre, pag may matres ka, nagre-regla ka, kaya alam mong pag tumigil ay menopause. Ang problema, pag natanggalan ka ng matres, iniwan yung ovary, hindi mo alam kung kailan yung exact. Aantayin mo na lang. Once you feel the symptoms, then sapot o higa siya. Diba? So, pero yun nga yun, sinasabi nila, pag na-hysterectomy ka, mas maaga ng konti pag nagme-menopause. But actually, there's no way of knowing. Sabi dito yung QE, yung FSH. Pag mataas yung FSH mo, that means menopause ka na. But, bochong siya, di naman eh. Oh, di naman ka po, tubo siya niya. Dito si Jack Calcium, makaw, sige, hedi si Jack Calcium. Adi na kaw, sige na ay pong Jack, menopause replacement therapy, then you only take estrogen. You don't need the progesterone. So, pwede ka rin yung patch. Kaya lang, patch is not available. Maganda sana yung
So sa mga lami, my husband, ang nading kanchu ko ako menopause ko kaya wa pwede ka chapo, kaya di ka ang So that's not true.
No, if ikikang kwa, tang luan zao kiao ziyong, you do the hysterectomy with the ovaries, with bilateral salpingo ovarectomy, magme-menopause ka. Pero pag tinanggal mo lang yung uterus, iniwan mo yung ovary, hindi ka pa menopause, hindi ka lang nagre-regla. Pero ang problema, pag wala kang uterus, hindi mo alam kung kailan ka menopause kasi hindi mo nababandayan yung bleeding eh. So you go by symptoms or you go by age.
Any question from the audience?
Regarding if you're menopause ko, tapos di ba dapat di body discharge or everything?
Sorry, ano ka?
Menopause already?
Menopause, okay.
Then suddenly you have spotting?
Oh, that's not normal.
That's not normal. Pero hindi yung pap smear, yung isang
Nag-pap smear, nagpa-ultrasound.
No, the other one, yung
Polpo?
Yung
Ultrasound, transvaginal ultrasound.
No, DMC? No. Not DMC, yung parang mas malinis daw na chine-check, but
Hysteroscopy.
Hysteroscopy, yeah.
Yes.
Then it's nothing naman found naman last year. But this year, parang may konting ulit na spotting na pink.
That is still not normal.
I want to ask the OB-GYN to remove sana, pero last year, ayaw niya.
Grabe naman yan. Spotting lang, remove. Para naman yung elepante, pinatay mo lang ng... So, theoretically you can, but that is parang over-treatment for spotting. Have spotting, nag-hysteroscopy ka last year, normal. Nag-spotting ka ngayon. Kasi pwedeng one of the causes is just atrophic vaginitis. Dahil sobrang dry, pwede ka mag-spotting, di ba? But we need to make sure na walang ibang problema. So, 1 year spotting ka ulit, pa-check ka ulit. Hopefully, wala pa rin problema. Pero we have to make sure na walang problema. Hysteroscopy, yung may pinapasok na camera, yung ba yung ginawa sa'yo? Yun, hysteroscopy yun. Hindi naman siguro kailangan hysteroscopy ulit. Just to make sure, kasi kaka-hysteroscopy mo lang. Most probably, trans-V and pap smear. Doon muna tayo sa mas mura.
May
MRT. Actually, ang MRT, okay, may ano yan eh. 30 years ago, there was a study. It was not a very well-made study. Yung Kyoto Women Health Initiative lang. Lahat ng babae, binigyan niya ng hormonal replacement therapy. And they decided, or they found out, na di na tiyago niya MRT, you have a slight increased risk for breast cancer. Okay? That's why, that time, kung ongkit, ititang lang HRT kung sa bigla, tiyangal, kung long, kung kikiatiyo bibit yung matang lang, kakwa, letiyaw sa piyanso, sintok diwan, diba? But then, years later, they realized that was not a very good study. Kasi di siya sa pedya si tang i, di po sa pedya si tang i. Kung dito tao chak, ni, tsaka dito ka siyaw din siya. So now we're going back. Kasi we realize, di ba, tangi siya, alam ngayon, longtong osteoporotic ka kasi bolit siya, yung longtong laulo, longtong fracture ah. So yung quality of life din ng mga hindi namin nabigyan for 30 years ng menopausal replacement therapy. So now, that's why wale siya, hige mammogram. Kasi before you give, you have to make sure na di dimbo ah. Kasi baka mamaya, di upala, di tatya, hige dupay ah. Di hige toka. Yun lang naman. Kaya nga sabi ko, din mo, choy chinsay jia, din tiyo che isang. Kasi ano kayo, i-assess kayo, hindi pwede basta-basta yan iniinom.
Dok, kanina di banggit yun, one of your specialties, sige, lalo na sintoasine, yun na nag-positive. So, kadalasan, dilikyo lang, ultrasound. So, doktora, sa panahon ngayon, bakit ang dami meron anak na autism? Sa ultrasound, malalaman ba, makikita ba, o hindi?
Sad to say, hindi makikita. Kahit na yung NIPT, di ba, meron na tayo ba ng NIPT? 10 weeks, kuha ka ng dugo, malalaman mo na yung sex ng baby. Malalaman mo kung may Down syndrome, kung may mga congenital anomaly. Kahit doon, hindi rin makikita ang autism.
Hindi makikita?
We cannot diagnose autism pre-conception.
So, talaga, sinsulay tayo.
Sad to say, yes. You need to wait for the symptoms to appear. Ditaki check.
Any question from the audience?
Tapos na ako.
Meron? Yes.
Doktora, bali kasi last year ko undergo surgical Tabisol ako. So, more than a year. And then, so far, wala akong naramdamang hot flashes. Kaya lang, kasi 3 months after my Tabisol, I had a bleeding na summarize is I was diagnosed with colon cancer.
Okay.
So, in a span of 3 months.
3 months.
I had chemo na okay. And then after na, actually I visit my OB lang just But so far wala naman siya should I undergo yung parang menopausal MRT? Or,
Okay. Sorry, I need to ask. Di ko hello
Shaplak.
Shaplak, ay makakambata. Akala ko sampuy ka lang. Shaplak, okay.
Tabisol.
Di shaplak, tabiso. Ba't ka tinabiso?
Kasi excessive bleeding, endometriosis, and...
Oh, you have endometriosis.
Yes.
Yun ang medyo aanuhin mo. Kasi pag nag-estrogen replacement therapy ka, baka mabuhay ulit yung endometriosis mo.
Okay.
Pero, so usually we wait like a year. And then we decide kung di ba yung hormonal replacement therapy, it's ready. But do not, di ba, so agad. Kasi na body, why natitira na endometriosis ko,
may
Inako,
ganun siya.
di ko kayo sa kahit di ba, yung luan sao, no?
Totally, lahat bolo,
Oh,
ovary.
yes,
yako,
but there are usually endometriosis, guakaw, asiuwa, yung implants. So, hindi na ko, di kong body, yung lo, di ba, hormonal, di ba, kasribe ka na, okay, but you need to wait a while, dito, tangi si diaw, di tako siya.
How long? Parang
Usually 1 year.
A year.
1 year. But you need to check. You need to check everything.
Okay. Sige, Dr.
But don't take it immediately after. Definitely not with endometriosis.
Actually, wala siyang because, because of other
Kasi
health
babalik
issues.
talaga siya. Babalik ulit yung mga pain mo, yung mga hirap mo sa endometriosis.
Okay.
Gusto mo na natin patayin siya lahat.
Sige, Tosha. Tosha.